going to start off right in the middle, any colour so long as it's black. This is a beautiful deerskin, which it has an incredibly mellow feel. It's around about 1.2 of a millimetre in thickness. The skins are, I guess anywhere in between 6 and 8 square feet. But it's a very consistent black that could be used for any sort of small card wallet or any sort of wallet, any sort of lightweight bag. The nice thing about it is it's firm, but it's got a wonderful sort of mellow feeling to it. It's not ultra shiny, it's a beautiful matte sort of look, and we have quite a lot of them.